Paul, Chad Hawkins with Sticky Labs. My company builds lead generation websites for small businesses like yours. We rank them in the top three in Google and create a partnership where we send you all those leads exclusively. Came across your site because we're looking at getting in the concrete business, in the concrete niche in Colorado Springs, and liked your company. Obviously, you guys have a great reputation. And noticed from your website, though, and from your ranking, that there's quite a few things that could be done considerably better to increase your exposure. I also noticed that you're spending quite a bit of money on Google Ads. Um, you guys do quite a few different things, but just looking at what you're spending monthly for a driveway contractor, foundation repair, and a couple other things, and there's a much better way to do this, and that's to do it organically. Wanted to show you some quick statistics regarding SEO. This is from a very well-known SEO blog that I get a lot of my do a lot of my research on. 60% of the clicks go to the top three websites in search engine results. A couple things I want to just point out here, and we can follow up later if you're interested. 75% never get past the first page, meaning you've really got to be in the first three to get the majority of the clicks. One other thing that I want to show you is the amount of people that ignore paid ads. 70%, 80% of people ignore paid search results, choosing to click only on organic listings. Now, I know you guys are making and are doing well on ads, but there's a much more efficient, much more profitable way to do this, and I'd love to be able to talk to you about it sometime. And show you how we can build lead gen sites for you guys, specifically for the different niches and the different businesses that you do. And you guys have quite a few different services here. But the way to do this is if we go into Google here and search, sorry, that's the wrong city, driveway contractor Colorado Springs, which I happen to pull up already. There's your top three map listing sites searches. There's your paid ads, which you guys are there. And then here's the top organic listings. What we do is we rank sites in this map pack, so you're one of the top three, and then also organically here. And I think you can get an idea, because you pay for ads, how powerful this would be and how much business this can bring you. Love to talk about this further with you. I've got some bonuses that I'm willing to share with you for just starting a conversation regarding some very easy ways how you guys can take your existing website, which would be very easy to do. We also do a lot of SEO work, which is search engine optimization, and I've sort of analyzed. I haven't done a deep dive on your site, but I've analyzed your site in terms of what you can do to significantly increase your rankings, which is going to directly result in more leads for you. Love to talk to you further about this. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.